Few days back, when I opened my blog account, I don't had any idea how much time Fintiba takes to complete the whole process, starting from opening blog account, then transferring funds, and finally issuing blog account confirmation, which we need to submit for German visa processing. In my case, I opened the account 3 days prior to my scheduled visa interview, but block account confirmation took some more time, as a result of which I had to postpone my visa interview. Therefore, today in this video, I will discuss typically how much time roughly it takes for creating Fintiba block account to get block account confirmation so that you can able to start doing the groundwork for block account and get the required documents well advance your scheduled visa interview and avoid any last minute hassle. Moreover, I am getting these same questions from my viewer, so hopefully this video will be helpful for my existing viewers. Finally, I will also discuss at the end of this video that what documents you can submit alternatively if you don't receive block account confirmation before your visa interview. So starting with step 1, where you need to register for block account in Fintiba website, and you need to upload your documents, for example your passport and your passport size photo for block account processing. The detailed step is also explained in one of my video. You can find the link in the description of this video and also top right corner of your screen. This process takes generally 20 minutes to 1 day once you fill and upload your documents in Fintiba website, after which you get a confirmation email from Fintiba that now they have set up your block account and you can proceed for fund transfer. In the next step, you need to register in Fintiba transfer and generate payment instruction, which is discussed in my part 2 video. You can see that link is available in the description of this video and also on the screen top right corner. This is a quick process, don't require much time. You get the payment instruction as soon as you provide your basic details and PAN number in their website in between the process. In the third stage, you need to make the transfer to ABIX cash account as per the payment instruction generated in step 2. For this transfer, you can visit any of your local bank in your home country where you have this sufficient funds to transfer. You can also make this transfer alternatively through internet banking or net banking. But please note, for adding beneficiary takes 2 to 4 hours generally in India, and this cooling period varies bank to bank. Moreover, in few Indian banks, you can only send limited amounts first couple of hours once you add a new beneficiary. So better you check this with your bank. Once your transfer is complete, you get a receipt of transfer from your local bank. Please be aware, you need to upload this transfer document in Fintiba TransferMate website against your payment invoice. Stage 4 is mainly applicable for Indians. In India, you need to pay tax on foreign transfers, without which your transfer can't be processed further. You get an email from ABIX Cash stating that you need to pay tax for your transfer. This tax is ranging from 0.5% to 10% depending on your purpose of transfer. This I have already discussed in my part 2 video. You can check that if you want. And you get this email after 4 to 5 hours of the main transfer which you have done in step 3. You can make this transfer manually by going to your local bank or through net banking or using Google Pay as this is a small amount. And after transfer, you need to send an email with requested documents to Ebix Cash. In stage 5, Ebix Cash will forward your fund to their partner bank Barclays in UK, which takes almost 3 to 4 working days. Then further, this Barclays bank forward your fund to Fintiba, which takes 1 working day. And finally, Fintiba takes 1 working day to reflect this amount in your blocked account and issue you the required documents for visa processing. Don't be afraid if you haven't received your blocking confirmation before the visa interview. Nowadays, it takes considerable time to get an appointment for visa interview. So if there is any delay in getting blocking account confirmation, you can alternatively submit your blocked account contract details and the payment received during your visa interview. Later, once you receive the blocking confirmation, just forward that to embassy through email. Finally, after 5 to 7 working days of fund transfer, you will receive an email confirmation from Fintiba that your blocking confirmation is now ready. Then you need to download your block account confirmation and travel insurance certificate from your Fintiba account. Now I am trying to give you a overall time frame of all the processes as per my experience. I started registering for block account from early morning, filled all my details and uploaded documents, after which Fintiba took only 30 minutes to confirm my account is ready. You can refer my video part 1 for this stage and avail a gift coupon of €15. Coupon code and process is given in the description of this video. After this, I generated payment instruction for Fintiba transfer with some simple click. This took not more than 5 minutes. I described these steps in my part 2 video. You can check that for your reference. Then I went to my local bank around 10 a.m. for transferring the money to Ebix cash account as per payment instruction. In bank, I spent almost 30 minutes and get the transfer receipt, which I then uploaded in Fintiba transfer page. In the same day, around 3 p.m., Ebix Cash officials contacted me for tax which I need to pay for foreign transfer and asked few documents. I transferred the requested tax and emailed them the documents requested within an hour. In the next day, I mean second day, Ebix Cash forwarded my fund towards their partner bank Barclays. This process took almost next 3 days, and Barclays Bank further forwarded the same fund to Fintiba in a day's time. Finally, Fintiba took 1 more day to update my fund in block account and sent me an email to download block account confirmation and insurance documents from their website. So in day 6 by evening I received the block account confirmation. Please note I tried in this video to give you a overall time frame required for the entire process for getting block account confirmation and insurance documents for your visa processing. Further, I am also curious to know how much time Fintiba took in your case. Please write that in the comments and also like and subscribe my channel if you find my contents are helpful for you. You can also share my video with your friends, plus give them the gift coupon of €15 given in the video description.